Cobra.
Alright, you're tuned in to more than just a model. Now, when I'm waking up in the morning to get dressed, there are a few things I think about. One, how hot is it? I live in Miami. Gotta know the heat and temperature. Two, what occasion am I getting dressed for? For me, today, it's casual. So very chill, very relaxing, something comfortable where I can walk a mile in. Always can depend on Vans when it comes down to it. Always. But then again, my Van collection is pretty vast. Then, my next topic, what I think about, simple. Am I going to be doing business? Am I going to be chilling? Am I going to relax? If I'm going to do business, I always take my thrifty duffel bag, chemical reaction. And for sure, when it comes to clothes, I'm always blessed, maybe by a designer, or I always shop at some of the unknown places, boutiques. And for certain occasions, I can't live when it comes to having casual urban wear. I gotta give all shots out and thanks to my man Nino. Always making sure I'm dapping. And last but not least, my thrifty kit. There's no possible way I cannot live without this. It has almost all my essentials, anything that I may possibly need. From my bands, of course my watch is always on deck, my watch collection is in the room. Brush. Now, depending on how long my hair is, I might have my sponge, occasionally a comb, which is in here. And of course, gotta keep my face on fleek. Model life be tough. Definitely when you have oily skin, can't go anywhere. Mary Kay, I'm telling you, it's the new skincare. And of course, I got my jewelry. Also blessed from different designers. I'm not a big fan when it comes to ice, but I have my occasions and my smell goods. Can't live without product. So when it comes to me getting dressed, this is my way of thinking, my things, my necessities. So let's get dressed.
Cobra. Airbit.com. 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 Airbit.
it's time for me to go. Stay tuned for more. Model to model. More than just a model.